And this is Stephanie. Welcome to another video. So it's time to open your dollar bead bag and box for March 2025. And I am a little bit later than usual. Everybody in my family has been sick and I got sick again. So yeah, we're trying to just get through the winter. But here we go. We have our beautiful dollar bead bag and dollar bead box. So let's open it up and see what's inside. Okay, here's the bag. $8 a month. 4 strands of 3mm fire polish and 4 strands of 4mm fire polish. These are the best fire polish beads around. The best deal. That's $1 a strand. I mean, and it's been that way forever. So look at these pretty colors. So we're sort of in a plummy, purpley colorway here. So let me just organize them and then we'll look at each one individually. Okay, so here are the 3mm and I love these colors. They're so pretty. So I think I have it right. Probably not, but here we go. So this is Royal Purple Metallic. And I'm going to pull in super close so you can really get a look at what a beautiful, beautiful quality. I guess that's a little bit too much. These beads are. So 50 beads to a strand, $1 a strand. You're not going to find that anywhere. They're just beautiful. And then I'm just loving this one, deep purple or jet half deep purple. So this must be the jet because I do see jet in there. Look at that. That looks like velvet, doesn't it? That's beautiful. Love that. The next is Purple Velvet or Ultraviolet Luster. I don't know. Did I get that one wrong? And was it the first one? Was it this one that was? I don't know. I don't know. The colors are gorgeous. Look at that. That's so beautiful. Love. And then this one, look at that. That's a very pale light lilac. Gorgeous. Look at these fours. These are so pretty. They remind me of the Muscari or Grape Hyacinth that's coming up in my yard right now. So beautiful with green. Wow. So Royal Purple Metallic or Matte Purple. I'm not sure if I'm right, but they're just gorgeous. Or Matte Purple Iris. Or Matte Purple Iris. I'm not sure. Okay. This one I'm pretty sure of. This is True Purple or Deep Purple. Gorgeous. And then we have Purple Iris or Vintage Purple Luster. Look at that with the green. It's gorgeous. And then look at the white opal to give that a little bit of a pop right there. These are lovely. So let's look at all of them together. So here are all your 3s and 4s. And how gorgeous are they? Stunning. $8 a month. And also check their current dollar bead bag items to view all of the March options. So just go to their website. I'll link it down below. I also have a coupon code I'll put up on the screen for you and in the description so you can, get a couple bucks off your purchase. Okay, let's look at the box. Here's the box. We'll do a little open here. So here's your list. Here's all your beads wrapped in tissue. For those of you who are not familiar with this, this is as low as $18.50 a month. It depends on your subscription. That's why it's the best thing to do is go to the website and check what subscription is right for you. And also you can, be a member when you get the, certain orders, you become an automatic member or you become a member, which means you get access to their website and everything on their website, for purchase. So let me organize everything and then we'll take a look at everything individually. Get a look at the color story and how gorgeous with the bead bag. If you could swing both, they're beautifully color coordinated. All you have to do with this is just get some seed beads in the color of your choice. And I say that every time I present a dollar bead box or the bag, because all you need to, if you're a bead stringer, this is perfect the way it is. If you're a bead weaver, you want to add some 11-0s and 15-0s, maybe a delica, to do some bezels. So all you have to do is add your favorite seed beads and you have everything you need at a very affordable price. Okay, let's take a look at everything. March comes in like a lion. Oh yes, it does. And what they've done here is given you a little bit of spring indoors. So they filled this box with lilac, lavender, violet, and other blooming colors, and it is beautiful. And around here, I'm in the Northeast United States, and it was so beautiful for a few days, and now it was, I think, 31 degrees this morning, and it's cold again. So anyway, they have exclusives every month where they give you an offer here, so you can check that out. Here's all their social media, and here is our list. So we'll start with these strands. Let's look at the strands. So we've got a 3x5mm check glass gem cut rondelle. That's gorgeous. Royal purple, 25 pieces. That's a beautiful color, isn't it? And then we've got a Lucerna bicone, and this is the non-faceted bicone, opaque lavender or opaque light lavender, 25 pieces, 6mm. Did I say that? And that's a really pretty sort of less fancy bicone. So in other words, you know, more of a casual pieces. It's beautiful. And then we have 4mm check glass Druck, light amethyst, 50 pieces. So a glass bead in light amethyst, perfect little 4mm. Look at this guy. This is a check glass. I thought at first it was plastic. It's not, it is glass. And it is a rose petal, 16x22mm crystal or crystal AB. You get 6 pieces. And I mean, what a pretty, you know, necklace bead, right? With something in between. Actually, the spaces in between are kind of nice too. So very pretty. Next up, we have a 4mm fire polish, and that's pretty. It's called chalk white or matte chalk white. It's really pretty. Our lights kind of wash things out, but it's pretty. It's almost got a little gray in it. Really nice. And then we have a melon bead. You get 50 pieces. Melon bead, 6mm, in crystal, 42 pieces. And a melon bead is a round bead, and it just sort of sectioned like a melon. So here we go. These are our strands, and they're beautiful lilac, purple, and crystal. Just lovely. On to the additional items. So here we have, look at this. This is gorgeous. Look at this 14mm check glass button bead, purple metallic. Look at the color on that. Stunning. That is gorgeous. You get 2 of those. And then look at the check glass drops, 9x20mm in purple, 2 pieces. And I have a video I did with earrings. I pulled out all my so many of my drops from previous boxes, and we added bead caps and such, and we made really pretty earrings. So really pretty. These 2 together. This is we have a 6mm Druck right here. So here's the 6, and then really pretty. You get 8 pieces. Let's see, opaque lavender. So that's very pretty. And look at this guy. Oh, well, I skipped one on my list, but we'll go back. 8mm Druck, opaque lavender or light amethyst. You get 10 pieces. And I don't know if you can see, when I'm looking in the light, it just glows. It's gorgeous. That is a beautiful bead right there. This little 10x11mm check glass turbine bead, purple Picasso, 2 pieces. So this is what, let me put this down so you can see this closely in my hand. So that's a little turbine bead. That's kind of cool. Pretty. We have others in different colors. So pretty. Check glass dragonfly, 17mm. Mauve or mauve. Travertine wash, 2 pieces. Very pretty color. You know, I always say put a head pin through or an eye pin with a drop, and you've got an instant earring. And look at the sides. The travertine wash on that. That's really pretty. Next up, we have this drop bead, and this is 7x12mm check glass drop, opaque white. You get 8 pieces. That is really pretty drop, and that's a really nice size. So really, you can just, you know, put that at the bottom of any of these beads and make a really beautiful earring. Hey, these are so pretty. These are 11/0. 2 cut check glass hexagon bead, amethyst AB. You get 20 grams. Isn't that pretty? That's a hex cut bead, and you get it in this little tube. I love that. Oh, that's so pretty. I love that we got like a little seed bead in here. Look at the sparkle on that. That is gorgeous. We've got a pillow bead. I just love all the different shapes. I mean, they're so cool. I mean, I remember back years and years and years ago, all the check glass shapes I used to buy, and these are just reminiscent of those. They're so pretty. So you get 4 pieces, 10x12mm. It's in crystal. It's a little pillow bead. That's a cool lentil bead. 12mm opaque pink with black, 4 pieces. That's cool. So pretty. So different. Love these check glass tabular diamond 8x13mm crystal with purple stripes. Look at that. I love these. See, for the summer, I love just a super simple earring. This and this together on a head pin or an eye pin. Just that's like the perfect little summer earring, little sundress, walking along the beach, you know, just simple, but just really beautiful. And then we have, oh, I forgot about this one. This is the dimpled disc, silver pewter, 10 millimeter, 2 pieces. I just would put these together, like I said. And you could even put like a little bead, one of the little crystals at the end. But I like this just the way it is, just as a very simple earring. Really pretty. Okay, here's everything in your box. So here are all the strands. Here are the additional items. So if you're looking for some gorgeous, gorgeous beads, but very affordable subscription, won't break the bank, the dollar bead box, you just can't beat it. And the dollar bead bag, I mean, what can I say? Can you get any better than $1 a strand for all these gorgeous fire polished beads? So here you go. Here's everything. Don't forget the coupon code. I'll put it up on the screen here as well and in the description. Check it out. Check out the website. So, so nice. All right, so I want to thank you so much for being here, and we'll see you next time. Bye.